It's frustrating to grow a small account and seeing zero progress, and that's being an experienced spies. Trying to multiply strategies are not alone, guys. So make sure to watch all the way through and save the best for the last. And let's do this together. So classic candles and 1 minute on time frame, guys. Okay, that is the setting that you're gonna use. If you want to enable the timer, that's up to you. Alright. So right now for indicators, we're gonna use only 2 indicators. Okay. Alligator and Donchian channel. Alright. For alligator, we're gonna use 13, 8, 8, 5, 5, and 3. Okay. Remember there's a student that was asking for that configuration about this in the previous live session. So that's this. Donchian channel, we got this with 20 on period. And that's color is up to you if you want to use that. It's the same. Alright. That's our choice. So save on that. And guys, and we don't need to so much background. What those strategies consist of? Very simple. Will alligator average go below the Donchian average entry goes in the direction? That's strategy as such. The expiration time is 2 minutes. And each on the mountain, we're gonna use $38. I'm going to look for the first entry. When I have it, I'll to explain this. Alright. So it's looking like we have the first entry right here, guys. The price is rising. Wow, it's rising and starting to fall back. And here it's seen that this candle is giving an upward momentum. It's passing 3 average. The blue is the last one is, but without this past 3, 4, yeah, that's very simple. That's price will continue to rise. The expiration time would be the 1 minute based on volatility in the markets. Okay, that's a little slower. Look at this. That's not good for us, but that's all right. It's best to go for a shorter time because analysis can happen quickly. The price can rise quickly and here and then fall. So, well, I'm right in the position. Just gone, right? Okay. We just can see the movement. It's making very clearly. Look, suddenly there are very strong movement in one direction, guys. And remember, keep in mind, this only after glimpses of what's possible. To truly thrive in this market, we'll need to learn the most effective, high reward strategy. That's why I'm crafting to exclusive results to help you guide in the next steps. Stick with me until the end. And look at that. Got our first confirmation on that. $49 of profits. Here I enter mainly because of the movement, guys. Look at rejections, rise that. Okay, that's not clear. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright, I had the first position. Let's look for the second one. Increase to $50. That's very good. And that's so to avoid losing. Look, I would have entered 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, and the next one could be the next ends up red in a lose. Okay. I entered on the upside of this one, guys, with 1 minute very close to average. This is just to test another entry criterion when I'm not in favor of the trend. I'm going to look for the entry more or less of this. Okay, look at that. The point here, it's while it's up, we're going to mark line. This is green line, red one, purple one. That's up to you if you want to do that. This is rising strongly. Here it is fall sharply. Here's the rise and reject. Here, see the rejection. There's a lot of volatility. If you know that, you can see that changing in seconds. And in the end, you don't even know if you will win or lose. If it would be a draw, I don't know. So let's see that, guys. Less than 5 seconds right now. Let's see this one. And look at this, guys. $90 of profits, almost 100 in my account. And that's very, very good. Okay, I had entered at the bottom point because I would have won easily without suffering. Although, well, who knows what would have happened? That's another criterion. You didn't find the trend. Of course, if you are against the trend, the position won't work for you. We would go for a strong break and expect it to fall near the zone, and that's where you do enter for a medium and long there's volatility. If there is no volatility when you want to enter this, look at that direction, is correct toward movement, and well, win. Okay, I have 2 positions, and that's very good. So let's try another one, guys. Okay. You enter right now, the market is giving different entries based on the price action. You can use measures such as support zones and enter when there is a pullback, which is more or less what I did in that entry. I am a little behind, but that's alright. Okay. Just opening that on AUD CAD. That's very good. The price in generation like the wave. Look at moment, pullback, momentum, pullback. So here it could retest, and it makes that so crazy. I would go to here the comeback, the entry point when it consists with the average. The criterion, the price goes up there and rejects halfway, and that's why I enter. I'm going with the current trend. Of course, it's a sub-trend because there are many trends on this. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Look at the smaller time right here, this time frame where I suppose you can see the price highs. Let's see that. Look at this. 30 seconds on 15 seconds, you can use that. And with 5 seconds. Okay. That's a good time frame to try to avoid some mistake with the reverts, right? And look at this, guys. Another position win like this, and that's good. $174 in the total, guys. So I raised my count 38 to 174. That's good, and that's a lot of volatility. Had to change the time in 1 minute because it seemed a lot of very fast movements, and in 2 minutes it might not happen. That's what you have to see when there's a lot of volatility. I invite you to like the video, guys, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget it. Wish you good profits, good operations, and have a good one. All right, just hit the like button, and I would see everyone in the next video, in the next live session, guys. Bye bye, see you.